All right, we're continuing section 2.3 about z-scores, and here is a problem that just seems to be a little bit problematic for students, so I just want to run through this as an example. We have a sample data set. There are 48 data points. You can see it's normally distributed here by the histogram. We're just given this. Our question here is how many outliers are in this data set, and then for this data set, classify anything beyond 2 standard deviations from the mean as a potential outlier. So to do this, we need to know what the mean is, we need to know what the standard deviation of the sample is, and then we need to create some parameters and find out our data points that are above one or below another. So I'm going to copy this data set over to Excel and paste special text. Got it here. So here's my data set. So we need to know the mean, that's x bar, and we need to know the standard deviation, that's s. Going to zoom in a little bit here so it's a bit easier to see. And we're sort of past our point here where we care a lot about doing the mechanical work of it. Now we're interested in answers. So to find the mean, I'm going to use the average function, make it quick and easy. I could add them all up and divide by how many we have. We know some fun stuff. And then the standard deviation of the sample, I'm going to use the Excel function also. Standard deviation of the sample, snag this here, and copying that in so you can see what formula I used. So we have a lower limit here that we're interested in and an upper limit, and these are for the outliers. So the lower limit is going to be the mean minus 2 times the standard deviation. And then the upper limit is going to be the mean plus 2 times the standard deviation. That goes a little bit more readable here. So my outliers are going to be numbers lower than this or higher than this. So 47.84, I've got 1 right here. Notice this is already sort of in ascending order. If we go, and then now 79.6, that's these two right here. And so I have 3 outliers with capital U to answer the question. So there's a bit of work to be done, and then we need to get to our answer here. I just wanted to do this example because it can be a little bit of a problem, kind of an application type thing. So I hope that helps you as you're moving through section 2.3. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.